So we're gonna do our room tour right now so you guys can see. The room is so beautiful. So they have this
barefoot please.
Barefoot policy. They make Kenton take off his fresh white Air Forces. And they said sad face means they won't interrupt us. Eyes open mean we don't mind being disturbed. So let's bring you guys inside. This is the vanity area. It's so pretty.
Nice.
I wouldn't mind my vanity area looking like this at home, that's for sure.
Lights. So many mirrors. It's hard to.
Bathroom over here. Even the bathroom is really pretty.
Got the LED lights while you using it.
And then this, honestly, we've been traveled to a lot of places, and this has to be one of the nicest closets I've seen for a hotel.
I know, one of the
The
nicest
door is
closets
glass.
for a hotel.
That is, to me, so nice. And then they put the bathtub
Walk-in closet.
out here. It's really flat.
The bathtub.
Yeah, and the shower's over there too.
Bathtub is outside.
Oh, so we have no choice but to shower and bathe outside.
Yep. Showers outside.
Okay.
Really beautiful place though.
Oh, nice. That's not even half.
The AC is on full blast, so it feels good in here.
Yeah.
It's like 100 outside, 60 in here.
This reminds me
is the
of
room.
like a super upgraded version of our bed at home.
They got the LED lights for the
They got
mood
the-
setting.
Real canopy bed going on.
Real canopy bed. Get from back here. Look at this bed, though.
So
Got the
pretty.
centerpiece up there.
Like the
So
spawning.
this is the outside
Then we have our own private pool.
pool. We have our own private beach.
And we actually have our own private beach too.
This is your punch pool. Our own private chairs.
So this whole area over here is just ours.
Just ours. Any iguanas over there? Man, look at this room. You have a deck right there. A deck. This is your outside patio.
Got a little kitchen area.
Like your kitchen area with your coffees and your teas. Accommodation.
Okay.
Basket. Again, this room is nice. You get fresh fruit every morning.
It was mango of the day today.
Mango of the day.
Mango of the day.
Well, that about wraps it up.
Well, we'll see you outside.